We have a lot of things to share with you for the next 2 days. Amazing things, a little bit of Jahia's journey stories, also beautiful customer experience, and of course, new product offering on which we're working out for the last 2 years at least. And I really hope that you will enjoy, as we are currently these two fantastic JahiaOne second edition. Yes, welcome everybody. So just some things. You cannot organize event like that without partners. So platinum partner Smile, gold partner Atos and CGI, silver sponsor Sigma, Avantia and Gore. Thanks to those partners, we are working with them for a while, and they're helping us organizing, so please, a big thank you to those partners. And a new kind of partner for the first time, and you will understand why after. For the first time, a technology partner we are partnering with, and he also sponsored our event. Please thanks Translation.com. They are here today. And of course, we work with our media partners because we want to have all the great things we'll share with you today spread on the web, and all the media here are helping us with that. Again, you will see a lot of information in those different websites, where we can thank them because, again, if we are more visible today than last year, it's because of the work of those guys. So thanks to CMS Wire, CMS Critics, Collaborative Info, Programmer, Rude Baguette, Le Mag IT, and the Open Source Guide. So today I would like to talk about 3 words: convergence, resilience, and commitment. Those 3 words are really important for Jahia because it helps us to build a great company. So first, convergence. To build a company, you need a vision. And for Jahia, since day one, it's all about convergence. So if you are the head of the digital at Ben Jerry's, HomeAway, Europcar, Samsung, Abercrombie & Fitch, and you have a question how to manage your digital customer journey, because you have to deliver this type of digital experiences, such as Samsung Extranet that deliver 60,000 distributors in North America, or I have to build online business application that drive the main here for Europcar, or the entire source of your revenue here HomeAway.com. What are the challenges you are facing? So digital presence of company is not a cost center anymore. It's a profit center, and it's probably the most strategic profit center in a company today. And I remember during the Top 100 2015 Red Herring event this year, and actually JahiaOne, we are part of the Top 100, and Red Herring CEO Alex Vieux quote, he said, tech is not a sector anymore, it's the economy. And that's the enterprise digital transformation that all companies, all our customers are currently facing. So as the head of digital of Abercrombie & Fitch, what are the challenges you are facing? As the head of digital of Leclerc or McLaren or Ben & Jerry, what are the challenges you are currently facing? So talking about Ben & Jerry, and actually this is a new ice. I remember, yeah, they have a lot of innovation in that, I know. So talking about innovation, I remember an article in the Huffington Post in October last year, How Code Empowers Social Goods, a Ben Jerry Story by Jahia. Right? There is a lot of interesting things in that article. Even if Ben Jerry is an ice cream company, but you have to understand that digital, even for ice cream company, is today as important as all the old marketing tools that they were using before. Actually, it's a main tool that they use to connect with their customer. So for instance, add this question, how do you scale and adapt to the latest technology for an organization the size of Ben Jerry's? Answer from Ben Jerry's from Jim Cates, Senior Manager of Global Technology Strategy. Jim said that it's all about trying to connect all those web services together, bringing little sanity into this chaos. Yes, marketing, digital marketing today, for all the feedback we got, for all the customer, all partner, same word, again and again, chaos. Other question, what role does technology have in the social conscious aspect of Ben Jerry's? And that's really important because regarding the type of content they want to deliver, they produce content that is about 20% about social, 20% about fun, 30% about fans, and 30% about product. This means that it's all about customer experience. It's not just about creating content. It's about getting closer to your customer and create content that is really appealing. You want another proof of that? Another question. What impact did the mobile web have on your brand presence and how are you utilizing it now? First, they changed their CMS, implemented a responsive design, changed their content strategy, and look at the result. More than 40% of content is now coming, 40% of traffic is now coming globally through mobile device, up to 65% in Asia. When you talk about adapting yourself to a huge digital transformation, that's exactly the Ben Jerry story. And by the way, we are on Jahia. And that's also the same thing. Ben Jerry is on Jahia, but on the way, Samsung, all the customers I just mentioned, rely on Jahia. This means that if we fail, they fail, and they are not failing. And I'm not talking again about those small projects used by a small department, managed by 2 people. We are frontline. So coming back to the head of digital, no matter the type of project you have to handle, whatever it's a customer extranet, if it's a website, a mobile experience, a commerce website, you had to deal nowadays, and you require all those capabilities. Custom business, customer application, CRM, marketing, SEM, analytics, of course, website, mobile, digital asset, and content management, and also, ultimately, commerce. And here, those capabilities are either relying on things that you develop by yourself, you develop internally, or of course rely on a lot of other technology you decided to choose in order to build the platform that deliver your digital presence. And for that convergence of capabilities, Gartner deliver a concept of user experience platform. And what is very interesting here is the fact that you do not see those software capabilities delivered and presented as silos anymore. It's more about a core with capabilities that can be very adapt to your experience and the type of project you're facing. And as Gartner says, there is no one user experience platform. A good user experience platform let a customer decide which type and the level of capabilities he wants to aggregate in order to fulfill exactly the purpose of his project. So that convergence and the aggregation capabilities required in the core of those platforms among web content management, integration and API, orchestration and portal capabilities, those aggregation capabilities are really important because all those tools you need to aggregate in order to control your digital presence. And as a matter of fact, convergence again, has been the vision of Jahia since day one. And now, this is a good way to, it's a good way to talk about the second word of my trilogy, resilience. Resilience as a foundation. Why resilience? No matter what, you have to stick to your vision, even if, and you need to adapt yourself to a fast-moving environment. And you have to resist also to the bells and whistles of, the latest feature that pop up on the market. Particularly, it's true when you bootstrap, which is true for Jahia, before 2015. And the fact that your vision of Convergence is not resonating with the market yet. So, day one vision of Convergence, an open source platform combining in its core web content management, document, digital asset management, and portal aggregation capabilities with a unified user interface geared for business user. It always has been, it still and will be the vision of Jahia for our customer. And over, we hammered that message on the market. And from a business user perspective, what is really important is the fact that if you manage a portal page, everything is content, whatever the type, whatever the source of content, knowing that nowadays you really need to aggregate content and commerce and business application together with device and personal contextualization. So this is getting more and more sophisticated, and this is why and this is back to the future, from my first slide, when I explain where is Jahia to my first customer, I explain that you fail with separation, and we want to give you convergence. And it's my first slide, and it's always has been that story we tell to the customer. So coming back to my chief marketing officer, my head of digital, you need to deal with those capabilities. And a lot of those chief marketing officer and in chief marketing officer's team talk about chaos. Currently, you face 3 marketing chaos. First one, chaos of marketing tools. And our solution here is to make Digital Factory the hub of all your marketing tools thanks to those aggregation capabilities. And you will see the new version of Digital Factory. The new version of Digital Factory